Have you ever felt that gut-wrenching feeling of suspicion that your partner might be cheating? That nagging voice in the back of your mind that something just isn't quite right? Infidelity is one of the most painful experiences a relationship can endure, shattering trust and leaving emotional scars that can take years to heal. But how can you really know if your partner has strayed? While there's no surefire way to catch a cheater red-handed, there are certain physical and behavioral signs that could indicate infidelity. Today, we're going to dive deep into those telltale signs so you can be better equipped to protect yourself and your relationship. You might be thinking, but I trust my partner completely. Why would I need to know about signs of cheating? The truth is, even the strongest relationships can be blindsided by infidelity. It's always better to be informed and aware than caught off guard. Knowledge is power, and understanding the potential red flags can help you address issues head-on before they spiral out of control. So, let's start by setting the stage and exploring why people cheat in the first place. Infidelity can stem from a variety of factors, both internal and external. Sometimes, it's a matter of unresolved personal issues, such as low self-esteem, lack of emotional maturity, or a deep-seated fear of commitment. Other times, it's a result of relationship problems, like poor communication, lack of intimacy, or unmet needs. In some cases, it's simply a matter of opportunity and temptation. A moment of weakness, of fleeting attraction, or a blurring of boundaries can lead someone down a path they never intended to take. Regardless of the reasons behind it, cheating is a breach of trust that can have devastating consequences for all involved. It's a violation of the foundation upon which a relationship is built, and it can leave both partners feeling hurt, betrayed, and questioning everything they thought they knew about their partner and their relationship. So how can you spot the signs that your partner might be unfaithful? Let's dive into the 6 key areas to watch out for. Changes in behavior and communication patterns. One of the most telling signs of infidelity is a sudden shift in your partner's behavior and communication patterns. If they become more secretive, guarded, or evasive about their whereabouts, phone calls, or messages, it could be a red flag. They might start password protecting their devices, avoiding discussions about their social activities, or being vague about their schedule. This lack of transparency and emotional intimacy could signal that they're investing their energy elsewhere, potentially with someone else. Physical changes and signs. Pay attention to any unexplained physical changes or signs that seem out of the ordinary. A sudden shift in grooming habits, such as trying out new hairstyles or investing more time in personal grooming, could indicate that they're trying to impress someone else. Unexplained marks, scratches, or bruises on their body, especially in unusual or hidden areas, might also raise suspicions. Additionally, changes in sexual behavior or preferences, like disinterest in intimacy or sudden experimentation, could be a sign that they're seeking satisfaction elsewhere. Changes in routine and schedule. If your partner starts having unexplained absences or frequent business trips that don't align with their usual schedule, it could be a red flag. Similarly, a noticeable change in their work schedule or sudden overtime commitments might warrant further investigation. Decreased availability and responsiveness to messages or calls, coupled with secretive behavior or guarding their phone more closely, could also suggest a desire to conceal communication with someone else. Emotional distance and lack of affection. A decrease in physical affection or intimacy, coupled with a lack of interest in spending quality time together, can be a clear sign that your partner's emotional and physical needs are being met elsewhere. They might avoid cuddling, cancel plans, or show little enthusiasm during shared activities. Emotional detachment, disinterest in your well-being, and a lack of empathy or compassion can also indicate that their focus and emotional investment lie elsewhere, potentially in another relationship. Unexplained expenses or changes in financial behavior. Unexplained credit card charges, receipts, or a sudden increase in spending on gifts or personal items can be a red flag for potential infidelity. Your partner might try to cover up their guilt by showering you with unexpected presents or making large purchases without consulting you. Changes in financial habits or secretive behavior regarding money can also signal a diversion of funds towards maintaining a relationship outside of yours. Gut feelings and intuition. Finally, Trust your instincts and intuition. If you have a gut feeling that something is off in your relationship, pay attention to it. Our intuition often picks up on subtle cues and discrepancies in behavior that may indicate infidelity, even before concrete evidence emerges. Recognizing these red flags and warning signs, such as inconsistent stories, secretive behavior, or sudden shifts in attitude and actions, can help you discern if your partner has been involved with someone else. Infidelity is a complex and emotionally charged issue, and no one wants to believe that their partner could be unfaithful. However, being aware of the potential signs can help you address concerns early on and potentially save your relationship from further damage. Remember, communication and transparency are key. If you suspect that your partner has strayed, express your feelings and concerns in a calm and constructive manner. Seek counseling or couples therapy if needed, as a supportive environment can facilitate honest conversations and foster mutual understanding. If you found this information helpful, please show your support by liking this video and sharing it with others who may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos about relationships, communication, and personal growth. Your engagement means the world to me. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay vigilant, and never stop prioritizing the health and happiness of your relationship.